Today is Friday, April 16, 2021. This is the Seletar Simpang Kiri River, a bit full. You can see the sediment. It's not so clear. And this is the Yio Chu Kang Crescent, a long road, L-shaped, going to Yio Chu Kang Road, further left. And there is a Seletar bus depot here, and you can see the buses going in to the bus depot. Off service. So this is a very nice area for exercise, morning exercise, and be with nature. Most of my butterflies, bees, flowers, and the oriental garden lizards are seen here or here along Yio Chu Kang Crescent. I shall stop now. Today is April 16, 2021, Friday, about 9:15 a.m. Singapore.